Here at 12 News, we work hard every day to put Southeast Texas first, and we love getting answers to your legal questions. On Wednesdays, we get to ask the judge. This afternoon, we are joined by Judge Randy Shelton from the 279th District Court here in Jefferson County. Judge, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Jordan.
All right, let's get right to it. This first question has a lot of people talking. Over the past 2 weeks, we've reported extensively on the water troubles at the Glen Oaks Apartments in Beaumont. Residents going nearly 3 weeks without hot water because of plumbing problems and, as we understand it, a gas leak. The complex has offered to move people, the residents, to another complex that it owns across the street. Our question: what other remedy do people have after spending so long without hot water?
Well, if landlords don't make repairs needed to protect your health or safety, then you've got really three options. One, you can terminate the lease. Two, you can have the problem repaired and deduct the cost of the repairs from your rent. And the last one is you can file a lawsuit to force the landlord to make repairs. Now, all three of these do require notifying the landlord in advance by certified mail. You might need a little bit of help, maybe from an attorney, to be sure that you get all those notices sent out. But that's pretty much it. Now, I'm sure that some of the viewers might be interested in, well, how about some sort of financial compensation? And there might be an angle on that, but really the kind of measuring what your damages are, your financial injury would be, is just difficult to determine. So I'm not really sure that a lawsuit, you're going to find anyone that could help you with a lawsuit like that.
And from what I understand, they have had workers out there, but it sounds like, this is more than just the water going to one building, for example. So I doubt any one individual is going to be able to go out and finance repairs. So that option may be off the table. Is hot water considered essential under the Texas, Apartment Association and leases?
Probably. I'm going to say yes, but again, the tenants are entitled to have an apartment that's safe, healthy, and secure in some way. So so hot water, I think, would be part of the health and safety. You've got to have hot water to sanitize clothing, dishes, hygiene, and so forth. So yeah, I would consider it essential and probably part of the requirement that a landlord has to meet.
Got it. All right, let's move on. We've got one other question I want to get to. This viewer says, I've been married to my husband for more than 10 years. We live in a house that he and his deceased wife previously lived in. A few years ago, my name was legally put on the deed. Is this binding in court because there are grown children involved that are not mine?
It kind of depends on what kind of deed that the viewer's name is on. If it's a deed of trust, and that's often used when a house is refinanced or when there's money borrowed against it, even if it belongs to one spouse before marriage, it's probably not going to have any kind of legitimate ownership claim. But if the deed to the property is deeded to you rather in a warranty deed or a gift deed, then you might have a significant interest in the property. You're really going to have a lawyer take a look at the deed to kind of get a better understanding of the effect.
Check the fine print. Judge, we'll have to leave it there. It's good to see you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Jordan.
Thank you, sir. If you've got questions for the judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form to fill out right there.